guys, and welcome to our new channel, Tarantula Guys UK. I'm Matthew and this is Alex.
We're new to the hobby and we're basically wanting to share our experiences with you, just show you what we can do, what it's going to be like, and we're going to be doing an unboxing today from the Spider Shop. This is the box that we got. We spent roughly about £72 in total on what we've got in here. As you can see, we have opened the box beforehand just to make sure that everything was okay. We've got these nice little leaflets with a pretty picture of a tarantula on the front. Also just some information on the actual Spider Shop and any of the upcoming shows that they've got going on. So this one's advertising an expedition in 2019, obviously. As you can see, very well packed. I'm going to be unpacking it because Matthew actually can't touch these. So let's get these unpacked.
Here's the first one. We will do a close-up towards the end of the video, so we'll just continue getting the rest out. And we're not very good with the scientific names either, but we will give it a go.
Well, Matthew will.
There's the second one.
And here is the others.
Oh, that's a decent size.
Yeah. We'll be showing you close-ups just to check that there's nothing else in there. There shouldn't be.
We have 3 things that we've ordered, so we did know what we were getting. But the first one is a Mexican fire leg, which is the Brachypelma boehmei, if I think that's right. But we can't see it.
You can't actually see it in the box because it's enclosed. This one is the gold knee, but you actually can see this one. Not sure what the focus is like on the camera. But as I said, in the next video, or even maybe in this one, we will be doing close-ups for you. And in this one, we actually have
2 bumblebee millipedes, which you can see on the top.
You can see, however, I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it on the camera or not. It's just there. But as I said, I don't think you're going to be able to see it properly. But you will be able to see it in the next video.
But thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed it, and in our next video will be the rehousing of the tarantulas and the millipedes.
So make sure that you like and subscribe because we do want to carry on, and we're looking forward to showing you the animals as well as seeing them. So thank you.